Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily apply a credit note to an invoice in Xero. So, all you have to do is head over to xero.com and, of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, click on Business, then click on Invoices. So from the list of invoices, just click on the specific invoice that you want to add or apply the credit note to. And from here, just look for the three dot icon beside the add payment button, then click on it, then click on create and apply credit. And from here, you have an option to edit the details about the credit note. You can choose date, branding, and check or change details from this column. You can also add new lines. Then once done, you have an option to save or approve. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye.